we guide you through how to redeem a PayPal gift code. So the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and signing in to your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, go to the wallet section where you can manage your payment methods and balances. Look for the option to redeem a gift card, voucher, or code if available in your region. Carefully enter the gift card code exactly as it appears, making sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors. After entering the code, click Redeem or Submit and wait for the PayPal to verify the gift card. If the code is valid, the balance will added to your account or applied according to the gift card's terms and conditions. If you receive an error message, double check the code and ensure the card has not already been redeemed or expired. Once the redemption is successful, you can view the update balance in your account and start using it for eligible purchases, payments, or transfer. So that's it.